tere hommikust!
Tere!
Me lähme kuskile väga tundmatusse paika.
Teised teavad, kuhu me lähme, aga me ei tea, kuhu me lähme.
Nii et see on surprise! Pidi mingi ilus koht olema.
Meie ei tea, kas meie autoga ligisele saame. Ilmselt seal tuleb sõita kuskil künkate vahel. Seega meie paneme auto kuskil ära ja lähme siis Länkarisse. Ehk siis selle autoga, mis otse ees on. Hetkel istub seal juba mingi 5 inimest. Nii et 2 sinna ära mahutada. No seal tegelikult on need 7-kohaline, nagu ma aru sain, aga tea, mis seisukorras need istmed seal on.
Ja tänase päeva jooksul hoiame siis ka kursis, kuhu me ka õhtul lähme, aga see on veel üllatus. Bye! Sõita, aga sõidame veel. Kuidas tuju? Meeleolu?
Panite auto lukku ikka?
Me oleme nüüd asukohta muutnud. Poisid on pagassis ja kõik siin.
Oo, kui hea muusika. Pane kõvemaks, palun.
Okei, 1, 2, 3 ja! 1, 2, 3 ja! Kasvati! Oota.
Hello! Kätte on jõudnud õhtu ja me tulime Kangaroosi vaatama.
Baby kangaroosi.
Nii äge. Oled elevil?
Ikka.
Natuke kartust ka?
Ei, tahaks pildistada. Ja muisu teha neid ja neid toita ja...
Kallistada.
Jaa.
Hey! Hey! How are you?
Tere. Tere.
I'm waiting for your food, buddy.
And they can be a little bit cheeky and start to jump on you, so that's why you're just going to feed them over the fence. So you don't need to go over the fence.
No, it's just it's...
Yeah, very curious. And it's also because they can smell the menstruation of any kind of woman on other animals as well.
Yeah.
So once you want to have a menstruation, they can smell and sense it, and then they can be a little more aggressive. This is like a little bit because of the weather.
Yeah, it's good to see you.
So that's why we just...
Nii kardan.
For me? Oh, that would be amazing. Thank you. You're getting close there, eh, buddy?
I want this one.
Thank you. Hello.
Take it. Oh, looking for it.
Come over for a bottle?
It's rolling.
Oh, hi.
Yep.
Yeah, you're doing so well.
Yes, a lot of flies.
Okay. We can support. I think.
So what does a volunteer do? Do they just get to do this the whole time?
Yes.
Basically. You like it this way? Oh, over here. Little Bricky. Little Bricky. Yeah. Little Bricky.
She's holding. Oh, not anymore. Give it to you.
Elis on
Like hay, grass, dead grass, wheat, some bushcutters, berries.
Jaa, sulle meeldib see, ma näen.
Plant-based.
Oi,
Also means that they have
kaklevad siin.
So one stomach is like with cows, you know, so they like this with egg. So they crazy.
Hmm?
It's like every 5 minutes, like 10.
Yeah.
10.
Pole midagi.
I bought one of those.
Be always a little bit careful.
Yeah.
But you can touch them.
But are they gonna bite?
If they want to, they could, yes.
Okay.
But they don't do this because they're very used to humans, you know, so you don't need to be afraid. But if you want, you can feed them with the wheat bakes, with the cookies, you know, give them a nice little rub. So these are these ones here, and you can't see them. So sometimes we walk around every day.